AI voices are not going anywhere. In fact, they are here to stay. It's not against YouTube guidelines to use AI text-to-speech or produce content with AI. However, using low-quality AI-generated voiceovers could seriously affect the way your videos are received by your audience, apart from the risk of getting demonetized by YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to an all-in-one AI tool that you can use to write video scripts, create voiceovers, edit videos, and even browse for clips and stock materials, all without leaving the software or needing to open more than one tab on your computer. Let me introduce you to HitPaw Edimakor, an all-in-one AI-powered media creator. Let's jump straight into how this software works. We'll start by visiting their website. There's a link in the video description below. On the website, navigate to where it says Get Started for free. Click to download the Edimakor installer. If you're on Windows, you'll see the executable file. Simply launch the file and follow the prompts to install the software. In just a few minutes, the software will be ready to use. When you launch the application for the first time, you'll arrive at this page. As you can see, there are several different tools, from the screen recorder to the subtitle maker, text-to-speech tool, subtitle translator, AI video generator, AI copywriting, video downloader, speech-to-text, vocal remover, beat detection, background remover, and the background blurring tool. To start a video project, click on the Create a Video tab to begin. Before we explore the other features, let's take a look at the text-to-speech tool. This is where you type or paste the text you want the AI to convert to speech. To the right, you can select the language and speech mode. I'm selecting English, and here's a preview of some AI voice avatars.
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software with
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
Andrew is my favorite AI voice avatar, so I'm going to select it. I'll paste in the passage, which is capped at 5,000 characters. Andrew has two avatars. One is multilingual.
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
And the other is common.
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing.
I prefer the multilingual version. Once everything is set, I'll click Generate. It will take a few seconds to convert the text to speech. If successful, I'll get a confirmation message. From there, I can either add it to the timeline for editing or save it directly to my computer. And here's the AI voiceover created from the passage.
By any criteria, the United Kingdom faces a serious economic and social crisis, one that will deepen without big shifts in policy. Yet there is little sense of this crisis among the country's elite, not least its politicians. The power of narratives helps explain this disconnect. The gap between the UK's reality as portrayed by the dominant narrative of its economy's performance and real life as experienced by its average citizen has widened to the breaking point. The resulting political distortions are now making the...
If I want to create a voiceover and then go straight to editing the video, I can easily paste the passage, preview some voices, and select the avatar that sounds best. As you've already noticed, there are several modes to choose from, including normal, angry.
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software.
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful
Chatting.
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software.
And whispering.
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features. HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI.
Once I've selected the best voice, I'll generate the voiceover and click Add to Timeline to continue to the editor. The voiceover will be added to the timeline where I can continue the actual editing process.
By any criteria, the United Kingdom faces a serious economic and social crisis, one that will deepen without big shifts in policy. Yet there is little sense of this crisis among the country's elite, not least its politicians.
For example, by using the speech-to-text tool, I can easily add hard-coded subtitles to the video. Then I can search for and add stock images and videos to the project, bringing everything together. Once I'm done editing, I can export the final composition in any format or quality I want. As you've already noticed, this software has all the tools you need to create any media in a single space. Before we dive into other features, let me quickly walk you through the editor. When you start a new project, you'll arrive at this page. Here's the preview panel, the editing timeline is below, the media and assets are on the left, and the settings and adjustments for both the media and timeline are on the right. Under the Media tab, you'll find plenty of visual assets, including those from your computer and stock websites like Pixabay, Unsplash, and Giphy. You can even search for a specific image or video. The Sound tab provides access to a vast library of copyright-free sounds and royalty-free soundtracks, as well as sound effects and other audio assets. The Text tool offers a variety of preset text templates that you can edit, or you can add your own. This section contains a large number of visual stickers, and the Transition tool offers visual transitions you can add to your video project. You'll also find filters, visual effects, and the Subtitles tool, which we'll discuss shortly. Below the preview panel is the Voice Recorder tool. If you have a USB microphone or any other microphone connected to your computer, you can record your voiceover directly here. Once you're done recording, it will be placed on the timeline, where you can preview and edit it. Now, let me show you how the AI subtitle feature works. I'm going to start a new project and import one of the videos I've already made. I'll place it on the timeline. This video is in English. With the clip selected, I'll go to the toolbar and select Subtitles. This is where you choose the language you want to translate the original subtitles to. If the video was in another language, I would select English to translate it. When I click on Auto Subtitling, it will recognize the original subtitles and translate them to the selected language. Let me select another language and click to create subtitles. I'll delete the first two subtitles as they're both in English. You'll notice that there are now two sets of subtitles, one in English and one in Spanish. As I scrub through the timeline, you'll see that the subtitle is not clearly visible in the preview. I'll fix that in a moment, but first, I'll hide the English subtitles using the eye icon next to the track. Next, I'll edit the subtitle to make it more visible. In the Inspector and Adjustment panel, I'll change the color, add a background to the text, reduce opacity, and adjust the text style. I can also change the subtitle position and size in the preview. Additionally, there's an option to add animation to the text for extra effect. When many people see titles like these on YouTube, what instinctively comes to their minds is a digital machine that prints money. I don't really blame you if that's also what comes to your mind, because you've seen YouTube videos like these countless times, and to be honest, this is tiring. But here's the thing, YouTube has rules, and one of these rules is that you must have a good intro to reach as many people as possible. These intros work. They keep viewers' interest high. As you can see, it looks much better now. As I mentioned earlier, this software lets you download media directly within the editor. If you find a YouTube video or any other media online, you can copy the URL and paste it into the download field under the Media tab. You can then choose to download either the video or audio and select the desired quality. You can also download subtitles if available. Click on Download and you're good to go. You can go to the Download Center to check the download progress and to also see other downloads. When the download is complete, the file is going to be placed in the Media tab, and you can use it in the video project if you want to. This process also works for other websites. For example, I have a link to an Instagram reel. All I need to do is paste the link, choose a download option, and the video will be ready to use in my project. That's how easy it is to download media for your video projects. There's still more you can do with HitPaw Edimakor. As I said earlier, this tool is very versatile and serves as an all-in-one media creator. You can do everything within this application without opening any other tabs. There's a link in the description of this video. Visit the website and test out this software for free. Leave your comments below, and thanks for watching.